As we're on the Tavy, if I can ask Mr Wilson just a few questions about the Cardigan plant. Now, we understand that seawater ingress was the cause of many of the issues at that plant. Can I just ask, at what point was it clear that significant investment would be required in order to address these problems?
So, the journey of this, and the reason why it took so long, was when we discovered that seawater was causing the problem, we embarked on a series of interventions and improvements to the sewer network in Cardigan to try and get the seawater out. We thought that would be better value for our customers fixing that problem, and so we set about trying to do that. As quick as we were relining sections of sewer and manhole chambers, seawater was finding its way in other places. And over time, that intervention clearly did not work as we intended it to do. And then we got to the point where we said, well, we're not having any success here. We need to do a different solution. And to do that, we had to pilot different treatment processes to see if they would work and operate with a seawater component coming into that sewage mix. We piloted 2 different processes, found one that worked very well, and that's what we've agreed to build, and it's a complete rebuild of the treatment works. So in hindsight, we should have jumped to that quicker, but we were trying to demonstrate value for money for customers by trying to tackle the root cause of the problem, which was the seawater ingress.
I understand it'll cost about £20 million, I believe. Now, and the work will start in 2025. You'll be appreciative, of course, there'll be concerns locally that what will happen in the meantime. So are there any measures that you can take to mitigate the problem in the meantime?
Yes. And we've installed some extra treatment on the storm water to try and reduce improve the quality of the storm water that's being discharged as well. And when you think about that, we've got a really high quality effluent coming out of the sewage treatment works. We've now improved the quality of the storm water, which actually is a similar form of treatment to a septic tank out there. And when you blend that effluent together down that outfall, the quality of that discharge is practically treated standard. So actually, we've really reduced the impact of that discharge while we upgrade the plant.
Thank you, Chair.